this session. All right. So I hope so I'm audible. Now, see, we were talking about copyright, and the amount for the copyright given in the question is 50,000 rupees. All right. Now, moving to the next part of the question. Moving to the next part of the question, that is, we are done with the land and building, leasehold property, furniture and fixtures, patent, copyright, trademark. Now we need to talk about investment. Investment in capital of some partnership firm, long-term loans given. Okay, these two are part of investment. So I will go to the investment column, that is long-term investment, and I will write here investment in. They have given investment in what? Investment in capital of partnership firm. Investment in capital of partnership firm. What is the amount given in the question? The amount given in the question is 1 lakh. 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees. Then they are telling long-term loan given. If they're telling long-term loan given, write the way it is given. Long-term loan given. Long-term loan given. What is the amount that we have to write? 1 lakh. So we need to write 1 lakh. All right. Then what next? We have cash/bank account, then bill receivable, marketable securities, and stock. This all are part of current assets. Okay, cash or bank is 50,000. So we just need to write 50,000 against cash or bank. Then they say bill receivable. They do not have debtors now. This company has bill. This company has bills receivables. What is the amount? 50,000. If they have given 50,000, then just write 50,000. And then we have, I will just extend your session for 2 or 3 more minutes, and then we will wind up this question. Now, marketable securities. Marketable securities, always remember it is marketable securities. Okay, you can sell them whenever you want. So they are part of your current asset, quick asset. Okay, marketable securities. Marketable securities. Short-term loans and advances. What was the? There's nothing known as short-term loans and advances for this question. There's only marketable securities here in the question. And what is the amount for marketable securities? It is 1 lakh. No one is saying anything. It's I who is actually answering. I hope you all are able to understand what I'm teaching here. Please reply yes, no, maybe. Please reply yes,
But
no.
not audible properly. Not audible.
Not able to hear me properly. So there would be network issue from your end. No worries. I would be sending you recording. So this recording will help you to understand whatever I have taught. Okay. Now stock. Stock is 50,000 given in the question, 50,000. What about the rest? Those who are able to listen to me properly, are they able to understand whatever I'm saying? Please reply. Akanksha, Rohan, Poonam. Please, your reply should be very loud and clear.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, fine. Now there are 2 entries which are left. Discount on issue of debentures and profit and loss account which is not written off. Asset side may discount on issue of debentures or profit and loss not written off. They are part of fictitious asset. So we need to go to the fictitious asset. Where is the fictitious asset column? Look at the fictitious asset column. Okay, yahan what they have said, profit and loss account, and they have said discount on issue of debentures. And what is the amount? Discount on issue of debentures? 1 lakh. of rupee, and what is the amount of profit and loss? One lakh rupee. Okay. Now, are we done? Yes, we are done. Is there anything which is remaining in this question? There's nothing which is remaining in this question. We are done. Now, do the total of capital. Total of capital would be 4 lakhs. Means total of equity plus forfeited shares. What is the total of it? 4 lakhs. Then the reserve. What is the total of reserve? Total of reserve 2 lakh plus 1 lakh. It is 3 lakhs. Then losses and fictitious asset. What it would be? 2 lakhs. Okay. Now we have to do the total of owner's fund. So do the total of 4 lakh, 3 lakh plus 2 lakh would be nothing but 9 lakhs. Right here, 9 lakhs. Then let us go to owner's fund. What is the total of secured loan? Total of secured loan is
सर 9 लाख कैसे आ गया आपको?
सर 7
सर
लाख
A plus B
Yes,
minus C
क्योंकि
होगा
ये
ना?
माइनस करना है. एब्सोल्युटली कर रहा है. किसे माइनस करना है हमें? फिक्टिशियस एसेट. आई एम डूइंग इट वेरी क्विकली बच्चों. अभी आप लोग का लेक्चर है ना दूसरा वाला. आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट. ओके, सो ये करो फटाफट. क्या करेंगे हम? 4 लाख प्लस 3 लाख 7 लाख. 7 लाख माइनस 2 लाख. हाउ मच इट इज? 5 lakhs. Very true. चलो, thank you for that. चलो, let us quickly wind up this. Secured loan में 5 lakh और unsecured loan में सिर्फ एक ही है. अगर एक ही है, then we can copy this and paste it here. That is what we can do. Okay. There's no need to write it because कोई totaling करना ही नहीं है उसे. So now just do the total of this. 5 lakh plus 50 lakh will give you 5 lakh 50,000. Am I correct? Please cross verify whatever I am writing and doing
Yes,
here.
sir.
And what would be the total capital
Yes, sir.
employed
Yes, sir.
then? Welcome. What would be the total capital employed then? The total capital employed would be 11 lakh 50,000. Correct?
10 lakh.
सर 10 लाख
10 lakh,
50,000
10 lakh 50,000. It would be 10 lakh 50,000. Chalo, let's do the rest of the bit. Current. Now we are in the application of fund. Application of fund. What is the total of application of fund? Tangible asset का total कितना है? Tangible asset का total है 8 lakhs. Just do the total 8 lakhs. And then of
Right, sir. Right.
then the intangible asset का total 1 lakh 50. 1 lakh 50,000. Okay. Then what is the total of the net fixed asset? That is nothing but total of both, which would be how much?
9,50,000.
9 lakh
9,50,000.
9 lakh 50,000. Okay. Now let us talk about the long-term investment. What is the amount of long-term investment? It is the total. There is investment in immovable property. Investment in immovable property है क्या इसमें? Please let me
No,
know.
sir.
No, नहीं है. तो इसको हटा देते हैं. So it is 2 lakh. The total is 2 lakh. That is what I'm going to write in the. Sorry, I am going to write here 2 lakhs. Okay, but remember, this is broad heading, long-term investment. मतलब ये 2 lakh कहाँ होना चाहिए था? It should be not here. It should be here. Okay. Next, ये कहाँ होना चाहिए था? It should be in the second. This is what we are doing for all the long-term investment. If you have observed, this is what we are doing from the beginning for all the long-term investment. Okay, क्योंकि इसमें अंदर लिखने की कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है. The total has to go at the end. तो इसका जो भी total है, we have a separate column for that to write here the long-term investment का total, which is how much? 2 lakhs. Now the last, working capital. Working capital. Now what we need to do with the working capital? Now for the working capital, okay, check the total of current asset. The total of current asset is 2,50,000. Am I correct? Please let me know. 2,50,000.
Yes, sir.
Am I correct? Okay, that is the total of.
Yes, sir.
Now we need to do total of current liability. What is the total of current liability? 3,50,000. 3,50,000. First time we are getting negative current liability. 3,50,000. Current liability is more than current asset. What to do? We can't do anything. If it is more, if it is more. But now what we need to do? Current asset minus current liability. Use your calculator. When you will do current asset minus current liability, it will give you 1,50,000, but with a negative sign. But with a negative sign. Do you all agree with me? Do you all agree with me?
Yes,
2,50,000 may say minus karo 3,50,000. What you will get? Minus 1,50,000 in your calculator. Now what you have to do? You have to add 9,50,000.
1 lakh होगा.
Okay, कितना कितना आ रहा है? Minus 1 lakh. Yes, minus 1 lakh. Yes, it is minus 1 lakh. Now do one thing. What you will do? Now look at the calculation. Look at the calculation part here. 9,50,000 में से 9,50,000 में add करो 2 lakh, which will be how much? 11,50,000. 11,50,000 में से 1 lakh को minus करो. How much you will get? 10,50,000. Am I correct? Please reply.
10,50,000.
Am I correct? Yes, no, maybe. Please reply. कोई तो कुछ बोलो.
Yes, sir.
So we are done. Congratulations, we have completed the sum, the tricky sum that we had. I will send you all the recording. Now quickly join for the next session that you have. Even I have third lecture, so I have to quickly go there. Thank you. Bye for now. Yes.
You send this sum on the group.
Yeah, I will send it in the